Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to see CPU temperature in Windows 11. Let's begin. So once you go to your web browser, you are going to search up HWinfo and then look for the website where it says HWinfo, so Free System Information Monitoring and Diagnostics. So we're going to select that link and then go to free download. So now we're going to look for the installer, not the portable versions. So where it says installer, you're going to select free download and then you go to choose one of these servers. And then you're going to install the application on your PC. So once it is open, you are going to go to the top left corner and then select Sensors. And then you go to scroll down a bit and then look for CPU. So there's CPU, Intel Core i3, and then it's going to show you the various temperatures for the core temperatures, the core distance to J max, and the CPU package, then Core Max. So over there, 47 degrees Celsius, then here 53 degrees Celsius. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.